friends. Okay, let's start something today completely different. I'm trying to add a course which was committed previously from quite some time. I am opening up a AWS Amazon Web Service tutorial to you guys, and that is in English. And the reason behind this, I was running a poll. Most of the people have seen it who are there in my contact. They wanted to know that if it is Java, it's obviously for college students and a couple of less years of experience guys. But then when it comes to cloud or AWS, I need somebody who can understand English, who can speak English, and who can communicate in English, to be very precise. And that's the reason we are starting up AWS entire professional course to do all the certifications, everything in English. Come and join hands together. Thank you.